Welcome to this video about daily English conversation lessons with subtitle. Do you want to learn English? The best way to learn English is to listen to it often and practice speaking it as often as possible. This video will help you improve your English speaking skills and your English listening skills. English listening skills are so important. Listen to this conversation often and practice saying this conversation when you can during the day. You will improve your speaking and listening ability very quickly with this way. Listen to the conversation and repeat each sentence. I don't like the color of the walls. I don't like the color of the walls.
It's a very bright color. It's a very bright color.
I want to repaint the whole house. I want to repaint the whole house.
What color will you use? What color will you use?
I was thinking of a nice blue color. I was thinking of a nice blue color.
That sounds very nice and soft. That sounds very nice and soft.
Will you help me paint the house? Will you help me paint the house?
I think we will still need help. I think we will still need help.
I'll ask some others to join us. I'll ask some others to join us.
Will you pay us? Will you pay us?
I'll pay you with pizza and soda. I'll pay you with pizza and soda.
It's a deal. I'm hired. It's a deal. I'm hired.
I can't unlock the door. I can't unlock the door.
Maybe it's because the key is brand new. Maybe it's because the key is brand new.
The lock won't turn at all. The lock won't turn at all.
Are you sure the key is not upside down? Are you sure the key is not upside down?
I've flipped it 5 times. I've flipped it 5 times.
It still doesn't work? It still doesn't work?
No. The door is still locked. No. The door is still locked.
Let me try to open it. Let me try to open it.
Maybe you'll have better luck. Maybe you'll have better luck.
I see what the problem is. You're using your old key. I see what the problem is. You're using your old key.
Oops. I'm so used to my old house. Oops. I'm so used to my old house.
It's alright. Eventually you'll get used to this one. It's alright. Eventually you'll get used to this one.
Thanks for watching. Please share and like if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to Learn with Cartoon channel, publish video to your friends. Thanks so much.